Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and we got some big news. APXT, our favourite stock on this channel, one of the favourites amongst our community. I know a lot of you guys are invested in them. They are now sitting at above $16 per share. Now, we've covered this stock quite a lot on its upcoming merger with Avepoint, and it's because I love this stock. I've got the most money invested into it. I think the fundamentals of the company are really, really strong. The management team are really, really good. I've said all that sort of stuff in previous videos, so go check them out if you haven't seen them. But today, the market has opened, and APXT are sitting above $16 per share. Now, the reason why this is such, I'd say, big news for me anyway, and why I'm enthusiastic about this and about them hitting $16 per share, is because I don't think APXT have actually hit that $16 mark and pushed on whilst the market has been open. Now, I know probably 3 or 4 weeks ago now, APXT's share price did hit around $17, but this was outside of hours trading. So when the market has actually been open for a lot of us retail investors, APXT hasn't actually been sitting above $16 per share. And the last few weeks we've been covering it, and it's been sitting at around $14, dropped into the $13 as well. And I know that's when a lot of us sort of started to average down our position. A lot of you guys got in there early as well, around sort of $11, $12. So congrats as well on those. But yeah, today it's hit $16. So last week, there was an annual general meeting, and there were some rumours suggesting that potentially the exact date of the merger was going to come out of this AGM. It didn't, so no news on the merger came out. So as far as we're concerned, we're going based off of the filings that were put forward, as well as the 2 interviews from both CEOs of Apex Technologies, Jeff Epstein and TJ Zhang of Avepoint. They've both suggested it's Q1 of next year, so there still isn't any specific date. Now, on my price target video that I did about a week or so ago on APXT for my price target for end of year, I suggested that this will probably be around $15 to $16 by end of year. If there's a specific date of the merger that comes out before year end, then I thought it would go to $16 to $18. Then if this was combined, so if news of the exact date came out before the end of this year, and this was combined with perhaps one of the analysts or someone on CNBC giving a lot of coverage to Avepoint and its merger with APXT, and I thought this would then push it into the 20s and beyond. But my conservative price target for no news coming out was around $15 per share. Now, I am very, very happy that it's opened at $16 per share, and I'm hoping, because I think it's a half day today in terms of trading in the US market, so I'm hoping by the close of play today it can sustain that $16 mark, because if it can sustain that, and that is now a new bottom, without any news coming out around the exact date of the merger, or without any analysts or any media coverage on this is just natural growth. I know a lot of the stocks that we've covered on this channel, they are green over the last sort of few days. It's been a very, very good week in the stock market, to be honest. A lot of the stocks that we've covered have gone up in share price, which is excellent, and APXT is one of them. Now, some people do comment, because I do cover APXT a lot, and it's because I've got the most amount of money invested in them, so I want to keep up to date, and I know a lot of you guys enjoy this type of content and enjoy these videos. Some people say, oh, you're just covering it to hype it up. I'm not hyping up any stock. No stock should be hyped up. The fundamentals of this company are very, very solid, in my opinion. You might disagree, so don't invest in them. But yeah, I see this as the best risk to reward SPAC that's out there at the moment. So out of all the SPACs that I've looked at, this one has the strongest chance of actually merging. I have a lot of faith in APXT and Avepoint. I know they've said it's Q1 of next year, and all the different filings have been submitted and stuff like that. But this one, in my opinion, there's a very, very, very small chance of this actually falling through. So I don't think there's a lot of risk in this stock. And in terms of reward, I still see this going into the 20s. So I've sort of weighed it up, and that's why I've gone with Avepoint and APXT as the place where I've put a lot of my money, because I see it as a very, very low risk in terms of SPAC with still a decent amount of upside. So I'm hoping that this $16 mark is here to stay and forms a new bottom, and then we can push on into the new year, and once that merger date comes out, it will push on further. But I had to do a video because we have got a lot of money invested in them, and I woke up today and it is that $16 mark, so I'm very, very happy. So today was just a quick video on APXT hitting that $16 mark. No new news or anything. I just wanted to give an update because I really enjoy talking about this company. I know a lot of you guys are enthusiastic about it as well. In the new year, as you probably tell watching my videos, I've become monetized now, which is fantastic. So thank you very much for everyone who's watched and subscribed. Now, I've said in a previous video that any money that I make in terms of profit that I make from this channel, my idea is to start up a YouTube investment portfolio. So my plan is for this money is to put some money aside in terms of tax, but any profit that I make from this channel, I'll be looking to reinvest into the stock market in a portfolio that is controlled by you. So this will be a YouTube portfolio where you guys decide exactly what companies I am purchasing each month, when I'm going to look to sell them as well, all that sort of stuff you guys control. So each month I'll bring out a video looking at how much money I've earned from YouTube, because I know a lot of people, including myself, when I was sort of trying to get monetized, I was very interested to see how much people earn. So that might be, I don't know, interesting to some of you guys if you want to be a bit nosy and find out. But yeah, so I'll be doing that. And on the back of those videos, I'll be picking the top sort of 10 stocks that you guys comment the most on. We'll then put that into a video and we choose one of the top 10 to invest in for that month. We add it to the portfolio and then we go on to the next month and start building that YouTube portfolio, completely run and completely controlled by you guys. Now, I think this is a really sick idea, so I'm very excited to do this. I hope you guys are excited too. Get some communication going, get some chat, and yeah, you guys control it. So if I make money, thank you very much. If I lose money, it's your fault, isn't it? Really? I don't know. No, I'm joking. So I'm excited to do that. So let me know in the comments down below if you think that's a really good idea on how to spend some of this YouTube money. It's not going to be a lot, so but it might be a couple £100 that we can, I don't know, you guys can control who I'm investing in, and we can sort of keep track of it over the sort of few months and few years and however long this journey goes on for. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is probably the last video that I release before Christmas. It's Christmas Eve at the moment. So I hope all of you have a really good Christmas, and I'll see you, I don't know, Boxing Day? I don't know, before New Year. I'll definitely be putting out some more content before then. I'll just have Christmas Day off, you know, go have a little break. So have a really good Christmas, and I'll see you guys later on. Thanks for watching and stay safe.